The managers of a company play a great role in ensuring its growth and development. An efficient MBA holder is indeed an asset to any company. Nurture the business leader or the competent manager in you with Nehru B Schools. An MBA degree guarantees numerous job opportunities in the business management field. The MBA course never loses its relevance as the possibilities always increase and newer subjects are added to the curriculum from time to time. After doing MBA, one can build a successful career in various fields like infrastructure, industrial, dairy management, economy, energy management, brand management, etc.
NSM at NCRC is a NAC A-grade management institute approved by AICTE and affiliated to APJ Abdul Kalam Technological University. The students are experiencing world-class infrastructure facilities like AC smart classrooms, well-equipped computer lab, fully loaded library, yoga center, and all sorts of modern amenities.
The Nehru B Schools, Nehru School of Management and Jawaharlal Business School are well equipped with all the learning facilities to make you an excellent entrepreneur and an efficient business manager.
Nehru School of Management has vast infrastructure facilities. We have well-equipped AC smart classrooms and free Wi-Fi connectivity for providing quality education. NSM also have PG library with more than 18,000 books dedicated to management studies alone. Addition to it, we also have centralized library at NCRC.
Proficient faculty, excellent learning facilities, opportunities to interact with business leaders from India and abroad, seminars conducted directly by leading companies, workshops, internships, all these make Nehru B Schools different from other campuses.
I would like to share our learning experience about JBS, and the college infrastructure is really nice. All the faculty members are really dedicated to teach us, and they also provide various activities and outbound training for us. It helps us to enhance overall academic and interpersonal skills.
Nehru B Schools help you evolve into the business leader or successful manager that you dream to be and achieve your career goals.